Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here I solve LeetCode problems. Today problem number 150. Evaluate reverse Polish notation, medium level. You are, you are given an array of strings tokens that represents the arithmetic expression in a reverse Polish notation. Evaluate the expression, return an integer that represents the value of the expression. Note that the valid operator are plus, minus, multiply, and division sign. Each operand may be an integer or another expression. The division between two integers always truncates toward zero, where will not be any division by zero. The input represents a valid arithmetic expression in a reverse Polish notation. The answer and all the intermediate calculations can be represented in a 32-bit integer. So let's solve it. First of all, let's check what we need to do. You can check and see an example 1. We have a list of few strings, represents integers and some operators. Reverse Polish notations is the expression where we have two operands go first and the operator goes after. So in the first example we have two operands 2 and 1 and third the operator plus. So when we have two operands and after it the operator, when we can evaluate it, we will get the result 3, and 3 we can consider as a next operand. So we have 3 as a first operand and the next 3 as a second operand, and the last multiply sign as an operator. And after the last evaluation we have the result 9. So let's check how we can implement it. To do it we need to use stack. Stack is a data structure like this with 4 basic methods. It's pop to delete element from the head of stack and return it. Append to append the element on the head of stack. Pick to get the element from the head without removing, and empty to check if the stack is empty. When we append items to the stack, for instance item 1 and 2 in this order, we can remove it in reverse order. So if we would like to remove them, we will get 2 and 1 after it, so it can be removed in the reverse order. So let's check what we need in the example 1. Let's check all items in the list. We will have item 2, it's number. Next we have item 1. If we meet operator, in this example plus, like this, we will remove 2 operands from the stack in the reverse order. So we will get 1 operator and 2, and we will get 3 as a result. After it, we put 3 back to stack and append next 3 from the input list. Next operator is multiplication sign. And we have 2 operands from the stack. 3 multiplied by 3 equals to 9. And back 9 to the stack. When we checked all tokens from the list, we will have stack with only one item. It will be a result, and we can pop it and return. That's it. Let's implement it. First of all, let's create empty list. I will use simple list in Python as a stack because it has 2 methods what we need, method pop and append. It's enough to implement a stack. Next, let's check all tokens. For token in tokens, check if current token is operator, plus, minus, multiply, division. Get 2 operand from the stack, stack.pop and b, stack.pop. And next, let's check operator. It can be plus, minus, multiply, else division. Let's calculate the result. Don't forget we need to use operands in the reverse order. So first B, after it A. And we can append the result back to the stack. So it's stack dot append result. And do it for all operators. Minus, multiply, and division. And we need to convert it to integer. Also, we have an integer in token and we need to append it to the stack. Don't forget to convert it to the int because token is a string. So after we checked all tokens, we will have stack with only one number, the result. So we can return stack.pop. Let's check tests. Works. Submitted. Yeah, it's pretty efficient by time and memory. It's quite interesting problem. You can check out the solution in Python and C in the description below on my GitHub repository. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.